Upgrading the cooling system in your Volvo will be one of those things you run into when doing an engine swap. Then you probably want to upgrade your radiator and your cooling fan, because the stock cooling fan is driven by the engine and you need something electric which is a bit more compact. Well, to install these fans you can do it in two ways. One is use some zip ties. Those kits are readily available and you can just mount the fan directly on the radiator. If you want something a bit more fancy, then you can choose a fan shroud. I've designed this fan shroud to work with a SPAL 350mm cooling fan. It's a pretty nice and slim version. It slides in nicely on the bottom on the original holes from the DO88 radiator, and on the top you'll need to drill 3 holes. The reason for that will be shown later in the video. So let's go straight into the action and let me show you how to install this kit on your aluminum radiator.
Install the SPAL fan with the supplied M6 bolts, washers and nylon locking nuts.
I've noticed that on the DO88 radiators, the top is not completely flat, and there is a slight difference in how high they are and some other small differences, and that's the reason why these 4 holes for the coolant fan are already laser cut and these 3 holes that we're going to drill right now are not. There's a gap here, probably for expansion reasons, so the middle one will be slightly off center.
Now it's time to drill 3 3mm holes at the top of the fan shroud and radiator, but before drilling, make sure that the fan shroud is correctly aligned. The supplied foam tape has roughly the right dimensions. Check if it's correct for your radiator. If not, use a scissor to shorten it. Once you're happy with the length, decrease the area and apply the tape at the top of the fan shroud over the 3mm holes. With a knife you can cut the foam tape exactly on the holes. This way the spacers and the bolts can be installed.
As you have seen, installing this kit is pretty straightforward and the end result looks really good. The link to this product will be down below in the description, and if you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.